In this video, we're going to be talking about identifying corresponding parts of corresponding triangles and writing corresponding angle statements for it. Okay, I have two triangles here, and I know that they are congruent, and the reason I know that is because this angle here, the blue angle, goes with this blue angle, and it means that they're the same size. This green angle goes with this green angle, means it's the same size. This red angle goes with this red angle, and it means it's the same size. But that's not enough. I also have to know the size, because I could have that same triangle like this, and this angle would be the same as that, this angle would be the same as that, this angle would be the same as that. But in order for them to be congruent, they have to have the same side lengths as well. So right now, I know that angle A is congruent to angle D. I know that angle B is congruent to angle E, and I know that angle C is congruent to angle F. The reason I know that is because of the tick marks on the triangle. All right, now here's the next thing I know. I know that this side, BC, is congruent to EF. I know that because there's 1 and 1. Here there's 2 tick marks. AC is congruent to DF because they both have 2 tick marks. And here, by the way, here's something I forgot to say. The tick marks are going right across from the angles. So see this one right here? This has 3 tick marks. I forgot to do this. This is supposed to have 3 tick marks as well. This has 3 tick marks right across from it, directly across from it. It has to have 3 as well. So now I know that line BC is congruent to line what? BC goes with EF. And listen, because I started with B, which is under the green, I have to start with E, which is under the green as well. I have to start at the same place. Let's go with AC. All right, AC is congruent to DF, and I can't say FD, I have to say DF. And then AB is congruent to DE. All right, now I have 6 things written down, 3 angles and 3 sides. Because of this, this is called a congruent statement. And because of this, I can say this: triangle ABC, and I want to show you something. I went triangle ABC, and I went angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. All right, goes over here with angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. You see that? So it's going to be DEF, DEF. Whoops, triangle. Okay? And that's how you know that they're congruent, by looking at the tick marks and saying, you know, angle A goes with angle D, angle B goes with angle E, angle C goes with F. As a matter of fact, I don't even know. If I have a statement that says this, if I just have a statement that says JKL is congruent to triangle JKL MNO. If I know this, I can draw it. I can draw the triangle. I don't know what it looks like, but I know that JKL MNO O. I know that J is going to go with M because look, it's the first one, so that's going to go like that. K is going to go with N, so I have to put two marks there. And L is going to go with O, and so I'll put 3 marks like this. All right, the one across from it gets 1. This one gets 2. This one gets 3. Again, this one, 1 here, 1 here. 2 here, 2 here. 3 here, 3 across. Just like that. All right, I want to quickly do with you a problem. We're going to have 2 quadrilaterals. And guys, I'm not even going to try to draw it right, okay? Because the picture really doesn't matter. I mean, and I'm going to call it D, G, E, F. I'm going to say this is 8 feet here. I'm going to say this is 102 degrees. This is 84. This is 68. And this is 12 feet on the bottom. Over here, I'm calling it Q, R, S, P. And this I'm going to call 2x minus 4. And I'm going to call this 6y plus x. Now, do I have all this stuff? Yes, I do. All right. They're supposed to be the same shapes, okay? Because they're telling us, that they've already told us that DEFG is congruent to SPQR. Okay? All right. Well, with that in mind, look what I can do. D goes with S. S is 102 because this is 102. See that? E, do I know what E is yet? No, I don't know yet. F is what? 68. So Q is 68. Well, this little guy is 68. Well, it's also 6y plus x, right? So I'm going to write this down. 6y plus x is 68. I know that much. What else? The 84. So G, where's G? The last one. G is 84, so R is 84. Okay? Now, DE is 8. What's 8 over here? Anything? Do we see anything? SP. Where's SP? All right, SP has to be 8 feet, right? GF. Where's GF? Or FG. Doesn't matter. See, now I can go backwards. So GF, let's just say GF is 12, and it goes with QR. Where's QR? QR, right there, right? So QR is 12. Right? They're asking us to find what is X and what is Y. Now, I don't know if we need this, but there's one more angle that we don't have. Right here. Now, if you don't know this, you're kind of screwed. Any quadrilateral has 360 degrees. Any four-sided quadrilateral thing has 360 degrees. So I'm going to go like this. On the calculator, I'm going to go 360, take away 102, take away 84, and take away 68. And what does that equal? 106. All right, so then this is 106. This has to be, so E goes with P, so this is 106. Now, do you see all the stuff we've written down? All the stuff because we know corresponding parts. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I can't solve this because it has 2 different letters. But I know that 2x minus 4 is the same as 12. 2x minus 4 is 12. So now I'm just going to solve this algebraically. So 2x is 16 divided by 2 on both sides. And x is 8. Okay, x is 8. Now I'm going to substitute that 8 right back in here. So look, 6y plus 8 is 68. Minus 8 on both sides. 6y is 60. Divide by 6. And y is 10. You see that? Now that's all they were asking for, guys. They weren't asking for this 106 and 102. I threw that in there to show you, how to get that in case they had asked us for that. Whenever you're doing geometry, I'll say this 1,000 times this year. Mark your triangles, or in this case, mark your quadrilaterals so that you can see what's going on. Okay? We could have actually marked them like this. DE, I could have put one tick mark. SP, I could have put a tick mark like that, but we didn't. But just so you understand that you could have done that.